What's up guys? You know, one of the most important home appliances for me is an air purifier. I cannot imagine living without it in a big city. I have already tested several air purifiers on our channel Tech Brothers, but now I have the most advanced model since it has a circulating fan. Now it blows clean air not only upward, but 360 degrees. The other features of the new air purifier are 5-layer filtration system, a real-time air quality monitor, UV internal disinfection, and even mobile app support. So the brand of this air purifier is AROEVE, and the model name is MK08W. Let's do a full review of it in this video. You know, this is the largest air purifier that I have tested, and it comes in a really big box. The company calls this product not just an air purifier, but a smart purifying fan. We can also see a smartphone on the box, as well as a QR code to download the app on your mobile device. Inside the box, we have a user manual, a quick start guide, 5 essential oil pads, and 3 circulating fan replacement screws. There is also a washable primary filter screen in the package. Finally, we can take the air purifier out of the box. By the way, the HEPA filter is already installed in the air purifier, but we will talk about it a little later. So, AROEVE MK08W is a big air purifier, and it is designed for large rooms. The clean area coverage is 2000 square feet or 185 square meters. The dimensions of the product are 65 by 31.5 by 28 centimeters. The weight is 6.2 kilograms. The main feature of the air purifier is the circulating fan on top. It can be rotated 90 degrees up and down, left and right. I think it is a terrific idea to place a fan on top of the air purifier so that clean air circulates around the room. By the way, the fan and air purifier have their own motors, and you can turn them on separately. The filter is located inside the unit. You need to remove the filter cover on the back of air purifier, and then you can see and take off the HEPA filter. AROEVE MK08W is also equipped with an air quality sensor. It provides real-time air quality monitoring on the display or in the app. Finally, air purifier has an essential oil box. You can add essential oils according to your preferences, and the room will smell nice. By the way, I like how this product looks in black, but it is also available in white. That's probably all about the design of the air purifier. Now let's talk more about the filter. In fact, the idea of how this air purifier works is the same as the others. There is a filter at the bottom of the body. The air purifier draws in dirty area from the bottom, passes it through a filter, and blows out clean air from the top. However, the AROEVE MK08W has a few features. Firstly, the HEPA filter consists of 3 layers: an air pre-filter system, a true H13 HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. You can also install a washable primary filter screen, which is included in the package. Finally, AROEVE MK08W features UV internal disinfection. In this way, the filtration system blocks 99.97% of harmful substances. The good news is that the HEPA filter is sold separately on Amazon. Okay, now let's look at the control panel. First, you need to press the power button to turn on the air purifier. After that, you can see the display and touch buttons. The display has information about air quality as well as small icons. By pressing the PM 2.5 button, you can switch between PM 10, PM 2.5 and PM 1.0 size of fine particle pollution. When the filter button is pressed, the remaining filter life is displayed. The OSC button allows you to change the fan rotation. You can select left and right, up and down, all together, and turn off the fan rotation. If you want to turn on the ambient light, press the light button, and the long press on the light button activates the child lock. The next button is for switching the operating modes and enable Wi-Fi. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds to turn on Wi-Fi. When there is a fan icon on the display, you can press the speed button and switch between sleep mode, low wind mode, high wind mode, and turbo wind mode. And then you can press the mode button again, and you will see the icon for manual control of the air purifier. And now you can press the speed button and change the speed modes for the air purifier. You can also select the purifying fan mode and change the speeds for it as well. Finally, there are odor and eco modes available. You should know that in odor mode, the purifier synchronizes with the fan by default, and the wind speed cannot be set. And eco mode is highly energy efficient compared to odor mode. If the sensor detects good air quality for 30 minutes, the machine will enter standby mode and stop operating. When the sensor detects poor air quality, the device will resume operation. By the way, I forgot to tell you about the light at the top of the display. It reports air quality in real time. It can be 4 colors: blue, green, orange, and red. When the light is blue, the air quality is very good. The red light indicates poor air quality. You know, AROEVE MK08W air purifier doesn't have a remote control, but you can use a mobile app. Let's take a look at it. In the app we can see PM 2.5 level, the indoor air quality and filter remaining. I don't know how, but it looks like the app can monitor the outdoor PM 2.5 level. There are also PM10 and PM 1.0 levels of pollution of the main screen of the app. And then we can use 4 buttons, such as power on-off, change mode, odor, eco, fan, air purifier, and air purifier fan. Speed level, low, high, turbo, sleep, and settings. In the settings menu, we have following options: child lock, light, purple light, reset filter, countdown, shake angle, light mode, light brightness, screen brightness, market, and schedule. So there are many useful functions in the app, and this is a big advantage of this air purifier over its competitors. Finally, let's measure the noise level of the AROEVE MK08W. You know, I will use an air purifier fan mode to run the motor of the purifier and fan. So the noise level in sleep mode is 33 decibels. It is almost silent. However, in low mode, you can hear the device running. The noise level is 42 decibels. The noise level in high mode is 50 decibels. So AROEVE MK08W is the most advanced air purifier that I have ever tested. Although its operating principle is the same as most other air purifiers, it has a fan that provides a large cleaning area. In fact, it is not just an air purifier, but a 2-in-1 air purifier and fan, because you can use them separately. It has a motor on both the fan and the purifier. Unlike other air purifiers, the AROEVE MK08W has a laser air quality sensor that monitors air quality in real time and displays PM1, PM2.5, and PM10 levels. You can even monitor the air pollution outdoors in the app. In fact, there are many useful functions in the app. So, in my opinion, AROEVE MK08W is the flagship model of the air purifier, but its price is quite affordable, under $200. I will leave the links to Amazon in the description under the video. Thank you for watching, see you soon!